ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. National Eritrea submarine in Middle East carrier strikes move to sail faster. Landslides in landfill in Uganda's capital kill 17 people as rescuers hunt for survivors. The National Eritrea Festival 2024 has featured an exhibition on the Northern Red Sea region showcasing a diverse array of cultural and marine resources. The display has garnered significant appreciation from festival attendees. The Northern Red Sea region exhibition includes various marine resources, the master plan for Massawa International Airport, dates package for export, and a variety of detergents and soap extracted and processed from plankton in the region, among other items. Speaking to Arena, Mr. Said Saleh, head of the exhibition committee for the Northern Red Sea region, highlighted that the exhibition primarily represents the region's tourism slogan, 3 seasons in 2 hours. He noted that various agricultural products, and fruits cultivated across the region is 3 seasons, as well as the range of the industrial products and historical sites are on display at the festival. Festival attendees have expressed their admiration for the exhibition presented by Northern Red Sea region. Similarly, the exhibition by Ansaba region at the National Eritrea Festival 2024 has received warm appreciation from festival attendees. In particular, the display showcasing the significance of Ansaba River has attracted considerable attention. The Ansaba River, which is 158 kilometers long, passes through 7 subzones, extending from Adita Kalizan to Asmat subzone. According to Mr. Andabrahan Solomon, the member of the organization committee for the Ansaba region, over 1,450 hectares of land along the river's embankments are being cultivated for fruits and vegetables. Long-standing traditional agricultural and household artifacts showcased at the Eritrean Festival 2024, marking the 5th anniversary of the Bologna Festival, has received significant appreciation from festival attendees, Arena reported. The artifacts on display at the Central and Southern Region Village exhibition sites includes stone sculptures, large water pots over 150 years old, as well as 60 years old traditional musical instrument still in use. Festival attendees remarked that the exhibition offers a valuable opportunity to explore and learn about traditional, cultural, and historical heritage of their ancestors. They encouraged society, especially the youth, to attend exhibition to deepen their understanding of the Eritrean cultural legacy. Members of the organizing committee emphasized that traditional sculptures, raffia, wood, and steelworks reflects the way of life, the civilization of the ancestors. Additionally, traditional wedding and honeymoon ceremonies are presented as part of the Eritrean society's lifestyle. Dear viewers, we'll be back with the international news shortly. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. United States Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin has ordered a guided missile submarine to the Middle East and the USS Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier strikes group to sail more quickly to the area. The order on Sunday evening followed a telephone call between Austin and the Israeli Minister of Defense, Yoav Gallant, aimed at mounting tensions following the killing of senior members of Hamas and the Iran-backed Hezbollah. Austin reiterated the United States' commitment to take every possible step to defend Israel and noted that strengthening the U.S. military defense posture and capabilities throughout the Middle East in light of escalating regional tensions, the Pentagon said in a statement. The USS Georgia, a nuclear-powered submarine, was already in the Mediterranean Sea in July, according to the U.S. military post on social media, but it is rare that the U.S. to publicly announce the deployment of the submarine. On our last news, the death toll from a landslide at a vast garbage dump in Uganda's capital, Kampala, has risen by 17, a Red Cross official said on Sunday, as rescuers continue to dig for survivors. After a torrential rain recent week, a huge amount of garbage at the city's only landfill site collapsed late on Friday, crushing and burying homes in the edge of the sites as residents slept. 4 more bodies were retrieved on Sunday, bringing the total of 17, Irene Nakasita, spokesperson for the Uganda Red Cross, said. Earlier on Sunday, police spokesperson Patrick Onyongo had put a death toll at 13, up from 8 that the Kampala capital city authorities has reported on Saturday. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. National ERi-TV Festival 2024 showcasing cultural and national resources. Traditional artifacts on display at the National ERi-TV Festival 2024. U.S. orders submarine in the Middle East carrier strike group to sail faster. And landslides in landfill in Uganda capital kill 17 people as rescuers hunt for survivors. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.